Alright, you guys, I am at Choctaw in Broken Bow, and I have some free play. Just loaded in 53 bucks in free play. I'm gonna try to see if we can land a train on this Dragon Train Forever Emperor. Do 25 lines. And I'm not sure why it's not that loud. The machine's not that loud. Oh, one more. Darn it. All right, we need 3 of those swords or 6 of those numbers or 5 of the numbers in a train. Oh my God, teasing with the train. All right, the guy's wild. Oh, $2.50, that's it? Yo. Oh no. This might be a quick free play session, y'all. More. I mean, doesn't matter. 4 more, but it didn't happen. Three. All right, last 2 spins, you guys. All right, $5. One more, yes. Oh, 4 of them, nice. You guys, we just landed some free spins on free play, so let's see how much we win from here. All right, at least 25 bucks. Okay. Ooh, that's gonna be good. Woo. Let's see. I like it when it has a banner on top. Let's see how much it is. 70 something bucks so far. Oh my God, 2 more. 2 more. Yay! We got it, you guys. Love a bonus in a bonus situation. Nice. Okay. Let's see if we can get a train to land. Oh, okay, or just all the screen to be filled. Oh my God. The grand is 11,000, you guys, so can we get it? Can we get anything else? One last spin, save us. Oh, darn. Okay. It's okay, we still have 4 games remaining, I think. Yeah, it says 4 free games. Not bad. Okay, we're over 100 bucks. Two more. Come on. Oh, darn it. All right, one last free game. Oh. Oh wait, this is the last game. Oh, it's okay. I think we did pretty good. 149 bucks. All right. I think I'm going to do my one backup spin and call it a day on this free play session. See you guys on the next one.